Hello guys, this is Nsokosa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you what's on my camera bags 2021. Most importantly, why do you need Peter McKinnon's nomatic bag? Let's start right now. So basically, these are the two bags that carries all my equipment. But one thing actually I'm not happy with is having to have these two backpacks. I want something that can actually carry all my equipment, everything just to fit on one bag. Because right now I'm having a cap which can actually fit here. I'm also having my laptop. So Peter McKinnon's bag can actually get everything included on one just space in which I can have my laptop in. It has so much more dividers, cubes, so much functionalities. The whole team actually had you and me in mind when we were creating that bag. So Peter McKinnon's bag, that's the weight bag, that's the bag that I'm actually working day and night, you know, just to get it. I'm in South Africa, it's quite expensive this side, but I will actually make all my means to get that bag. So let me show you what is inside these two bags. This is everything that I always need up with me, especially going outside shooting, maybe here in studio. But within this bag, I'm having monitor, in which is really super awesome because I can't actually rely on my camera screen because it's so small, especially shooting outside in the sun. It's really hard for you to see. So here, this Lilliput monitor, you can find it on Takealot. You can have it there. GH4 Panasonic. Which is really awesome. I've shot so much cinematic, beautiful videos, music videos with this beast. It's really awesome. So having also strobe is AD300 Pro. Especially when I shoot weddings, I make sure I have my strobe with me. My Mavic Air drone, and also my battery is there. Remote controller. I'm also having my 50mm lens, super awesome. I love that 1.8, and also here that's why there's my memory cards, just for them to be safe, and USBs, everything is there. I will make sure I don't forget these things. And also the battery for actual monitor, these are Sony batteries, and that's where goes my chargers. You can see nothing actually stays really nice and organized. Right here I'm having, how do I look? These are really good, especially when we're editing. So just to take out that blue light, you can actually use it when you're using your mobile, or maybe actually you are editing. Actually takes off that blue light that actually most affects your eyes. So these are the glasses I always wear. So sometimes going outside on location, it can be quite sunny. So having them, it's really awesome. So I can actually see everything that I'm doing. And here I'm having my external hard drive. Sometimes going out, I have to always load some files. So having my external hard drive is really awesome. And this side I'm having, this is where all the lens caps, headphones, battery for my strobe, everything is here. So one thing I don't like about this whole thing, having two bags, is like every time when I have to go outside on shoot, I have to actually pack everything on one bag, or maybe things that I will need on that particular time on one bag. So some other time I forget batteries, something like cables and stuff. So I want the bag that can actually accommodate everything here on that one specific bag. Also have my, you know, there's a room for I can actually have my shirt for changing and things like that. So that will be super awesome to have nomatic bag. I believe one day I will have it, and I will review everything to you and how everything's going with that bag. This is everything that I always carry up with me. Please let me know what's your favorite bag, or what's the bag that you're currently using right now. So without any waste of time, thank you so much. I will see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please hit that notification button to always get updated every time I upload. And I will see you next time. This is it. Oh no, Peter McKinnon style.